Alright, so here's how to remove grid lines from specific cells in Excel. So let's get started. First of all, you need to go to the View tab on upper side, and then from here you need to first remove the grid lines like this. Then simply select these columns and simply go and select the home, and then from here you need to go with the border and then select the all border like this. As you can see, there is no border rather than this, but if you write any other text like this into another column or another cell, the cell is not showing. To remove this issue, you can simply go and watch this video in coming to the screen to know how you can set auto border in Excel. I think this video might help you out. If yes, please leave a like and make sure to watch the video in the screen, and we'll see you next time.